You're good.
Todd asked me to do a brief video on assembling the Hogg Halfcomb complete assembly. So we're going to start out with the super. It'll have 4 corner tins. Put the super on edge and the corner tins away from you. Now there's 4 follower boards involved and there are 5 springs. Put this follower board in first with the tin and the standoffs go down. Put that in and center it. And then use this follower board with the standoffs on the one side. It has to stand up on this other follower board. And then the super pack will go in. Now this super pack, a rabbited follower board will go on the top. And that locks the 4 stacks of 10 together. It locks in there with those rabbits. So set your super pack on the follower board with the tin and slide it up against. This thin follower board has to go on top of the thicker follower board. I usually put 1 spring in this corner. Now this is the rabbited one where you have to feel it or hear it drop in. It dropped in and it locks all 4 of these together. We center all this. I like it centered. Put a spring in the middle. When I put the springs in, I like to keep the 2 feet pressing on the follower board. It might keep it from warping and cupping. So we put 3 here towards the outside, 1 in the middle, and then the final one over here. Just push them in. Now what's somewhat important then is push the super pack down on the corner tins. And I push the follower boards all down on the corner tins because your B space is on the top. It's kind of flush on the bottom, B space on the top. And when you sell a complete assembly, 40 covers go with it. The covers come in stacks of 10. I have these cover boxes where 40 go in. Todd will have to figure out how he's going to do it. But we get 40 covers in there, tape it up, and that's what you would be selling. Thank you.